Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your birth rate on your Google account. So let's start. Open the Google application on your smart device and check if you are signed into your account. By opening the Google application on the homepage in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. Then, in the drop-down menu, you will go down to the option, Manage your Google account, and then click on it. By clicking on the option, Manage your Google account on the new page under your profile picture, you can see a line with the offered options, of which we need Personal Info, which you will click. Then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, you will look for the Birthday option and click on it. By opening a new page, as you can see, you have several options where you can insert your date of birth, then an option that allows you to choose who wants to see your date of birth, and an option that will highlight your birthday. As for all these options, it's up to you to decide, and when you're done with all that, all you have to do is click on the Save option. And just like that, your birth rate is now updated. And that's it. Updating your birth rate on your Google account is super easy. Now all your Google services will reflect the correct information. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.